Still wasting hours trying to write the perfect AI prompt and ending up with zero results? What if you could create high-converting, money-making prompts in minutes, without writing a single word? If you're using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, or Jasper, you already know one thing. The quality of your prompt makes or breaks your results. And if your prompt is weak, you get weak content, weak images, weak outcomes, and no income. But guess what? While most people are struggling to use AI, a small group of creators are quietly raking in 3, 4, even 5 figures a month, just by selling the right prompts. Introducing PrompterIQ, the AI-powered prompt creation studio that does all the heavy lifting for you. No writing skills, no tech skills, no problem. PrompterIQ creates powerful, profitable text prompts in just a few clicks. Generate high-converting text prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper, and more. Access to over 100 powerful, ready-to-use prompt templates. Use them for clients, sell them on marketplaces, or launch your own digital product empire. No coding, no experience, just plug, profit, and play. Whether you're a marketer, freelancer, agency owner, or just someone looking to turn AI into income, PrompterIQ gives you the ultimate shortcut to success. Just log into the dashboard. Choose any use case for creating a prompt, enter your details, click Generate, and voila! And in seconds, PrompterIQ delivers a fully optimized, ready-to-use prompt, crafted for engagement, conversions, and cash. Sell your prompts for $5, $15, even $50 each. Or bundle them into products, training, or services. PrompterIQ is your ticket to a brand new digital income stream. Unlike generic AI tools that require manual prompt engineering, trial and error, or a PhD in copywriting, PrompterIQ is 100% friendly and laser-focused on just one mission: helping you create, sell, and profit from the world's most powerful prompts creator tool. Ready to create high-converting prompts in minutes. Tap into the AI revolution and turn your ideas into income with PrompterIQ. Click the button below and get instant access now.